Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best MK purses for women clearance sale, featuring the MKP Chic Women's Lightweight Crossbody Bag. This stylish and practical purse is a perfect choice for anyone looking for a compact yet spacious bag that keeps your essentials organized without weighing you down. The MKP Chic Crossbody Bag stands out with its upgraded quality. The buckle and strap installation have been improved to prevent breakage, ensuring long-lasting durability. Inside, the space is 1.5 times larger than before, offering ample room for your personal belongings like your cell phone, wallet, keys, and other essentials. Plus, the thoughtful design means you can easily access everything inside without any hassle. Crafted from high-quality vegan leather, this bag is both eco-friendly and resistant to scratches and tears. The vegan leather material maintains its shape and look over time, giving you a chic accessory that also aligns with animal-friendly values. The smooth leather lining inside adds a touch of elegance and durability to the bag's interior. Measuring 5 by 1.5 by 7 inches and weighing just under 9 ounces, this crossbody purse is lightweight and convenient for everyday use. Whether you're heading out for a casual day or a quick evening event, it's designed to complement your outfit without bulk. The snap closure keeps your belongings secure, while the adjustable and detachable strap offers versatility in how you wear it. You can switch between shoulder or crossbody style, depending on your comfort and preference. The design also includes front and back pockets, giving you extra storage options and keeping your essentials organized and within reach. This bag is imported and comes from a small business brand, so when you buy it, you're supporting a smaller company dedicated to quality and style. It's also a great gift option for family members who appreciate both fashion and functionality. With its combination of style, durability, and thoughtful design, the MKP Chic Crossbody Bag is an excellent option for anyone looking for a fashionable small purse or wallet for their cell phone and essentials. If you want a bag that's trendy, lightweight, and spacious enough to hold everything you need, this could be your next go-to accessory. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.